Your filtration expert, so Jiffy, will support you in the maintenance of the filter elements. To carry out a quality professional service, we recommend you have the appropriate tools for the job. Each lid has a specific key. To begin replacing the oil element, the first step is to perform the drain. Open the drain plug and empty the oil before removing the filter. Have a warm engine to save time with the draining process. Protect the environment by using the suitable fluid collection equipment. Loosen the module cover with the appropriate key. Remove the lid filter element assembly. Clean the cover with a clean cloth before reassembling with the new filter. Locate and remove the cover seal. Lubricate the seal with new oil. Reposition the gasket on the module cover. Be careful not to use tools to change the gasket, as this may damage the gasket and cause leakage. Snap the new filter element into the cover. Install the new filter and tighten the cover of the oil filter module according to the recommendation. It is important to change the drain plug seal. Screw and tighten the sump drain plug. Fill the engine block with the recommended oil. Only use additives compatible with the car manufacturer's recommendations. Verify the oil level gauge. Start the engine and check that there are no leaks around the filter or the drain plug. Don't forget to put the old filter in its dedicated disposal container. Trust your filtration expert.